Have you noticed more strands in your hairbrush lately? Are you seeing more scalp when you part your hair? You're not alone. Many women experience hair thinning after 40. It can be frustrating and even heartbreaking. But don't despair. Hair thinning isn't inevitable. It's often a sign that your body needs some extra support. It's time to ditch the idea that thinning hair is just a normal part of aging. We're going to uncover the real reasons behind hair loss and empower you with the knowledge to fight back. You can have healthy, vibrant hair at any age. You've probably heard that estrogen plays a role in hair growth, and it's true. Estrogen helps hair grow faster and stay in the growth phase longer. But as we age, our hormone levels fluctuate. This includes estrogen, progesterone, and even testosterone. Lower estrogen levels during perimenopause and menopause can contribute to hair thinning, but it's not just about estrogen. Progesterone, another key hormone, also influences hair growth, and surprisingly, even small changes in testosterone levels can impact your hair. Understanding this delicate hormonal dance is crucial to addressing hair loss. Stress isn't just bad for your mental health, it wreaks havoc on your hair too. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol levels can disrupt your hair growth cycle, leading to increased shedding and thinner hair. Think about it, have you ever noticed increased hair fall during times of intense stress? It's not a coincidence. Managing stress is essential for healthy hair growth. Incorporate stress-reducing practices like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature to protect your hair and your overall well-being. Walk down the hair care aisle, and you'll be bombarded with products promising thicker, fuller hair. While some topical treatments might offer a temporary boost, they often fail to address the root cause of hair thinning. Biotin, a popular supplement for hair growth, can be helpful if you're deficient. However, if your hair loss is due to hormonal imbalances, nutritional deficiencies, or chronic stress, popping biotin pills alone won't cut it. It's like watering the leaves of a plant while neglecting its roots. Section 5. Genes versus Habits, Busting Hair Loss Myths. Today we're diving deep into the common misconceptions surrounding hair loss and uncovering the truth behind them. It's just in my genes. This is a phrase we often hear when people talk about hair loss. How many times have you heard, or maybe even said, that about hair loss? It's a common belief that if your parents or grandparents experienced hair loss, you are destined to face the same fate. While genetics do play a role, it's not the whole story. There's more to hair loss than just the genes you inherit. Your genes might make you predisposed to hair thinning, but, your lifestyle choices significantly influence how those genes are expressed. Factors like diet, stress levels, and overall health can either exacerbate or mitigate the genetic predisposition. Think of it this way, you can inherit a predisposition to heart disease, but that doesn't mean you're guaranteed to have heart problems. A healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and a balanced diet, can significantly reduce your risk. The same principle applies to hair loss. The same goes for hair loss. By addressing nutritional deficiencies, managing stress, and balancing hormones, you can take proactive steps to maintain your hair health. It's not just about what you inherit, but also about how you live. You can really take charge of your hair health. So next time you think it's all in your genes, remember that your daily habits and choices play a crucial role in determining the health of your hair. Section 6. Unlocking Thicker Hair, Your Personalized Action Plan. Ready to reclaim your luscious locks? Imagine running your fingers through thick, healthy hair that shines with vitality. It's not just a dream, it's entirely possible with the right approach. The key is to address the root cause of your hair loss, which requires a personalized approach. Every individual's hair journey is unique, and understanding your specific needs is crucial. Start by consulting with a healthcare professional who understands the complexities of female hair loss. They can provide a comprehensive evaluation and guide you through the process. Here are some essential steps to consider. These steps are designed to address various aspects of hair health, from internal factors like hormones and nutrition to external care routines. Hormone testing. Identify any imbalances in estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, and thyroid hormones. Hormonal imbalances can significantly impact hair growth and health. Nutrient panel. Check for deficiencies in iron, vitamin D, zinc, and other essential nutrients for hair growth. Nutrient deficiencies can weaken hair and slow down its growth. Balanced nutrition. Focus on a diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. Proper nutrition provides the building blocks for strong, healthy hair. Scalp care. Exfoliate your scalp regularly and use products that promote circulation and nourishment. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair. Stress management. Incorporate stress-reducing techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Stress can have a profound effect on hair health, so managing it is essential. Hair treatments. Use hair masks and treatments that provide deep conditioning and repair. These treatments can help restore moisture and strength to your hair. Sleep care. Consider using a silk pillowcase to reduce friction and prevent hair breakage while you sleep. A good night's sleep can also promote overall health and well-being. Track your progress. Keep a hair growth journal to monitor changes and improvements. This can help you stay motivated and make necessary adjustments to your routine. With dedication and the right plan, you can achieve the thicker, healthier hair you've always wanted. Remember, consistency is key, and every small step brings you closer to your goal. Section 7. Reclaiming your crowning glory, stories of success. Imagine looking in the mirror and loving what you see. Women who have taken a holistic approach to hair loss often report remarkable results. They describe thicker, fuller hair, increased confidence, and a renewed sense of vitality. After years of struggling with hair loss, I finally feel like myself again, shares Jennifer, a 48-year-old who addressed her hormonal imbalances and nutritional deficiencies. My hair is thicker than it's been in years, and I have so much more energy. These stories are a testament to the power of taking control of your health. Section 8. Take charge of your hair today. Don't let hair loss dictate your confidence. You deserve to have healthy, vibrant hair at any age. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. With the right knowledge and support, you can unlock your hair's full potential. Take the first step today. Seek personalized guidance from a healthcare professional and embark on a path toward reclaiming your crowning glory. Your hair will thank you for it. Section 9. FAQs about hair thinning after 40. As we age, many of us notice changes in our hair, including thinning and hair loss. This can be a distressing experience, but understanding the reasons behind it can help us manage and potentially reverse the process. Question: is hair loss after 40 normal? This is a common question that many people have as they notice changes in their hair density. Answer: while common, it's not necessarily normal. Hair loss can be influenced by a variety of factors including genetics, hormonal changes, and lifestyle choices. It's often a sign of underlying imbalances that can be addressed. For instance, nutritional deficiencies, stress, and medical conditions can all contribute to hair thinning. Question: can I reverse hair loss? This is another frequent concern for those experiencing thinning hair. Answer: the potential for regrowth depends on the cause and how early you address it. Early intervention is crucial for the best outcomes. Taking a proactive approach increases your chances of success. This can include using specialized hair care products, seeking professional advice, and making lifestyle changes. Question: how long does it take to see results? Answer: patience is key. Hair growth is a slow process, and it can take several months to see noticeable improvements. In hair growth. Consistency in your hair care routine and treatments is essential. Question: what are the best foods for hair growth? Nutrition plays a significant role in maintaining healthy hair. Answer: focus on foods rich in protein, such as lean meats and fish, iron, found in leafy greens like spinach, zinc, which is abundant in nuts and seeds, biotin, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients support hair health and can promote growth. Question: can stress really cause hair loss? Answer: absolutely. Stress can disrupt the hair growth cycle, leading to shedding and thinning. Managing stress through techniques like meditation, exercise, and adequate sleep can help mitigate its impact on your hair. Visit Leap 2. Better Health for more tips and personalized solutions for hair thinning after 40. Don't wait. Take charge of your health today.